Now we go to the next property, and the next property is bubble point pressure. And we start with definition. Bubble point pressure is the highest pressure at which a bubble of gas is first liberated from the oil. Ya. Jadi tekanan bubble adalah tekanan maksimum ketika gas pertama kali lepas dari oil. Ya. Bubble, namanya juga bubble, dia bubbling. Gelembung-gelembung gas lepas dari oil. Okay, so again, the bubble point pressure is the highest pressure at which a bubble of gas is first liberated from the oil. So the gas will be free. Previously, the gas is dissolved, larut, in the oil, but then it is liberated. So maybe like this, we have oil at high pressure. Yeah, high pressure. At high pressure, all the gas will be inside the oil, but not in the form of bubble. Ya, mereka akan larut. They will be dissolved. So you cannot distinguish between gas and oil. You cannot distinguish because what you see is only oil. Ketika gas larut, namanya juga larut ya. Kita nggak bisa ngelihat gasnya. Ya, gas larut di dalam oil. Itulah definisi dissolve. Hanya satu fasa, tidak ada dua fasa pada kondisi high pressure. Okay? But if the pressure is low, istilahnya seolah-olah oil karena tekanannya rendah, dia nggak bisa lagi mencengkram si gas. Ya, gas itu selalu pengen lepas. Gas selalu pengen lepas dari oil. Karena tekanannya rendah, gas nggak bisa lagi mencengkram, memenjara, atau melarutkan si gas, so gas will be liberated at low pressure. Okay, the first pressure at which gas will be liberated, itulah bubble point pressure. Okay, and this is very important. This important property can be measured experimentally for a crude oil system by conducting constant composition expansion tests. Yeah, so if you see my tutorial, in the tutorial, I show you the constant composition expansion, CCE. So we can calculate or we can measure the bubble point pressure with CCE experiment, and we also need to matching, we need to do matching for our CCE data. In the absence of experimentally measured bubble point pressure, we can use correlation, yeah. So if you don't have data, bubble point pressure data from laboratory, you can estimate. You can using correlation. And the bubble point pressure is a function of gas solubility, specific gravity of gas, API gravity of oil, and temperature. Okay, so we go back to the phase diagram. Inside the dome, we call it saturated. Saturated. In saturated condition, you will see two phase, oil and gas. Yeah, oil and gas. Oil cannot dissolve the gas entirely. Cara gampangnya kembali saturasi. Saturated itu apa? Saturated itu apa? Jenuh. Oil sudah jenuh dengan gas. Jadi oil tidak bisa menelan gas seluruhnya. Ya. Oilnya udah jenuh, nggak bisa lagi dia nerima gas di dalam. Dia nggak bisa lagi melarutkan gas sepenuhnya. Maka ada dua fasa. There is oil, there is liquid, and there is gas. But at high pressure, tekanan tinggi, you will see undersaturated. Undersaturated atau belum saturated, belum jenuh. Jadi oil pada tekanan tinggi belum jenuh, dia masih bisa nelen lagi gas, dia masih bisa mendissolve gas, dia masih bisa menerima gas. That is undersaturated, ya. At high pressure, oil is undersaturated. And this is the dome of mixture of liquid and gas. Yeah, so if you move from this undersaturated zone, you will see this line. This is bubble point pressure line. And then inside the dome, di dalam kubah, you will see gas and liquid. So at this line, ya, pada tekanan ini, pada garis ini, bubble will be released. Bubble will come out. Gas will be liberated. So this is the bubble point line. Okay. Limiting or separating between undersaturated and saturated. There. So at this zone, you will see only liquid, but inside the dome, you will see liquid and gas.